Good morning students, welcome back. Today in this video we are going to revise the topic adjective. In the previous video we have revised the topic pronouns. So today we will be starting a new topic. The topic is adjectives. Now what is an adjective exactly? What will you define adjective as? A simple definition for adjective is it is a term that tells us more about a noun or a pronoun. You already know what a noun is and you also know what is a pronoun. So a word, a term that describes you more about a noun or a pronoun is known as adjective. Understand it with an example. The first example that I have taken over here says, the story is more interesting than I expected it to be. What is a noun or pronoun in this sentence? The noun is story that I have circled. And which term is telling us about the story? Which word is describing more about the story? The words are more interesting, meaning the story is more interesting than I expected it to be. Here more interesting is describing the story. So these terms are referred to as adjectives. The another example. The grass is greener on the other side. What is the noun over here? The grass. And what is the description given about the grass over here? Is greener. Greener is telling us about the quality of the grass. It is describing the noun grass. So the term that describes about the noun or a pronoun is known as adjective. Now we will be discussing about the types. The first type is proper adjective. Now what is proper adjective? Adjectives formed from proper nouns are known as proper adjectives. What are proper nouns? Proper nouns are names given to a particular person or a thing. That is known as a proper noun. Example for proper adjectives. How do we form proper adjectives? The definition is adjectives formed from the proper nouns. You see over here. The Gangetic plain is very fertile. Which plain? The Gangetic plain is very fertile. But the term Gangetic over here is formed from the word Ganga, which we also known as the Ganges. This is a proper noun, particular name given to a particular river, and the adjective formed from this word, this particular proper noun, is Gangetic. So Gangetic in this sentence is a proper adjective. Second one, Swiss chocolate is famous throughout the world. Which chocolate? The Swiss chocolate. Now where is this word formed from? This word is formed from the noun Sweden. Products made in Sweden are referred to as Swiss. Swiss chocolate, Swiss dress, Swiss watch. These all are the words, the adjectives that are formed from the noun Sweden. Okay? What is adjective of quality? What is adjective of quality? It tells us about the qualities a noun has. Okay, as it is according to the noun. Example, the Pearl Mosque is a majestic building. What is the noun over here in this sentence? The Pearl Mosque. It's a proper noun. A proper noun, a particular name given to a building. And which term in this sentence is telling us about the quality of the Pearl Mosque? The word is majestic. Word majestic over here describing about the building, the Pearl Mosque. Okay, the Pearl Mosque is a majestic building. Take another example. The honest citizen was rewarded by the grateful king. Which citizen? The honest citizen. Citizen is being described by the term honest. Honest is the quality of that particular citizen. Was rewarded by the grateful king. Now what is the quality of a king mentioned in this sentence? It's grateful. Grateful is the quality being given over here about the king. The third type type is adjective of quantity. Now by this term, what do you understand? Quantity always describes us about how much. It answers the question how much. Okay? That's not given in your book, but I am giving it as an explanation. Now we'll see for the definition. It tells us how much of a thing is referred to. Understand it with an example. He has a little intelligence. Intelligence over here is the quality of he, the pronoun. But what is the adjective of quantity in this sentence? Little. Little is telling about, describing about how much intelligence he has got. Okay? Second example, she. She did not eat any food. She did not eat any. Any is referring to a quantity of food. She hasn't eaten anything. The next type is adjective of number. Here you can clearly see it is number. Definition is, it shows us how many person or things are being referred to, or in what order a person or a thing stands. Here you have to understand one more thing, that under adjective of number you have got two more points. First is ordinal, the other one is cardinal. Ordinal refers to 1, 2, 3, 4, and cardinal refers to first, second, third, fourth, like that. Okay? Now see the examples over here. First says, there are no pictures in this book. Now look at the definition. See for the definition. It shows how many persons or things. Here the picture is a thing. So there are no pictures in this book. Meaning there is no picture. Pictures is a thing and a book is a noun. There are no pictures in this book. Second one. Sunday is the first day of the week. Sunday is which day? The first. Is the first. First is adjective of number. Under which category? It comes under the category of cardinal number. Okay?